These wild dogs are sneezing, but they're not sick. You see, African wild dogs sneeze to decide what the pack does next. But here's what's interesting. Not all votes count equally. This lower-ranking dog tries to rally the pack with sneezes. A few others join in, and nothing happens. Proposal rejected. But one sneeze from an alpha. A few responses, and suddenly, everyone's on board. Research shows alphas need about 3 sneeze votes, but subordinates need about 10. And this isn't just one pack. Across the species, wild dogs use sneezes as literal votes, a quorum system that prevents tyranny while respecting hierarchy. They turned "bless you" into democracy.